Are you thinking of taking up sewing? The Alfa Next 10 Plus is the ideal machine for your first stitches. It is an easy-to-use and intuitive machine. It contains descriptive icons to learn how to use it in an easy way. It includes the 12 most used stitches: buttonhole in 4 steps, lock stitch, overcasting, elastic overcasting, invisible zigzag stitch, invisible elastic stitch and festoon waves. With the Next 10 Plus you can sew on all types of fabrics, thanks to its double presser foot height for thick fabrics. And its 6 rows of feed dogs. It is light and durable, as it has the metal hook, shuttle and bobbin case. Sewing comfort is assured, as has an automatic bobbin winder, thread tension regulator, and stitch inversion for finishing. It also has a free arm for sewing tubular garments, and LED light to avoid eye strain. Get the most out of your Next 10 Plus.